welcome back to my channel. I'm Robin, and in today's video we're doing another Curlbox unboxing. You get 6 products in this box, so we're gonna be surprised together because I have not looked at the website. Only opened up the box a few minutes ago, so we get to see what's in here, and I saw that it was a product on top, so that's why I didn't open the box all the way. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this unboxing. I'm now subscribed to Curlbox, which I'm so happy I finally got on it. So I'm finally subscribed, so I got a subscribers box. So in today's subscribers box, this is I believe the July subscribers box, or June. I think it's July though. So I almost dropped it, y'all. It don't want to stay on the counter, but let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. You get 6 products, so let's go ahead and see. And they're full size products, which I love. So it looks like, oh, Luster's pink. I used to wear pink moisturizer all the time, so I almost said pink moisturizer, but this is not pink moisturizer. This is Luster's Pink Hold and Shine Perfecting Gel. Huh. I didn't know they had a gel. So this is the Luster's gel. Y'all, I'm definitely going to be trying this stuff. Definitely, it's alcohol free. Definitely can't wait to try this. And the first ingredient, y'all, is water. So big ups to them on this. So this is the Luster's hair gel. So what else is in this box? All right, we actually at the actual curl box now. So y'all, this box has some weight to it. So here's the actual curl box, and let's see what we got in it. Here's the black covering. Okay, I'm gonna put the box down because I know I'm gonna end up dropping everything. So we're just gonna unfold this, and I'm gonna end up putting the box down so y'all get that first glance with me of the product. Alright, so as always, you get the little card and their little thank you card. You get this card gives you all the little tips to the moisturizer, Luster's moisturizer kit. And this is July's curl box. So first thing I see is Luster's Pink Natural Oil Blend Lush Growth Oil with castor oil, tea tree, and clary sage oils, plus rosemary, coconut, sweet almond, and lavender oil, and vitamin E. So that's that. Pretty much what you get. And these are nice. This is a 4 fluid ounce bottle. So definitely a great thing. Let's see what it says about that. And on this it says, it give you a tip. It tell you massage on your scalp daily to promote growth. Your Luster's Pink Lush Growth Oil is filled with 100% natural oils and vitamins, including vitamin E, castor oil, tea tree oil, and more. This oil stimulates luscious growth and promotes healthy scalp. What did it say about the The Shine Gel. The best gel for daily use should be formulated with softening oils. Enter Luster's Pink Hold and Shine Perfecting Gel. Create perfect finger styles, ponytails, and slick edges with non-flake gel, boosted with argan oil, olive oil, and pentanol. Y'all, I'm horrible at reading, so excuse me with that. Okay, the next thing I see is the Lustrous Pink Growth and Scalp Relief Natural Oil Moisturizing Lotion. So that right here. And my camera do not want to focus on it. But this is 12 fluid ounces, y'all. So that's a good size. Vitamin E and Pro Vitamin B5 combined in your Lustrous Pink Growth and Scalp Relief Natural Oil Moisturizer Lotion. This deep hydrating moisturizer fosters growth, heals split ends, helps your curls retain moisture. And the first ingredient, y'all, aqua. So water dead. That's what I'm talking about, Lustrous. That's what I'm talking about. The next thing I see is the Repair. Oh, okay. Repair Strengthening Natural Oil Moisturizing Lotion. Y'all, I was so lost for a second. I was like, I just picked this up. But it's Repair. This one says this. Okay. Your Lustrous Pink Repair and Strengthen Natural Oil Moisturizer Lotion deeply hydrates your hair with hydrolyzed plant protein that restores elasticity and softens brittle curls. So I would definitely be trying this stuff really soon because I used to love pink moisturizer in my hair. First ingredient, aqua. Yes, y'all. So I definitely will be trying these very soon. Y'all will see those in my hand in the video soon, very soon. Okay, next I don't fall. Repair and Strengthening Mask with coconut oil, olive oil, shea butter, and botanical extracts. Intense conditioning treatment. So that's that. Focus, camera, focus. Y'all, this is a new camera, so I'm sorry if it's not focusing. But what I say this one is. Your Lustrous Pink Repair and Strengthening Mask is perfect for this. Add heat to mask sessions when you want to revive limp curls that need some bounce back. Specifically created to repair damaged strands, this vitamin-rich mask rejuvenates natural, relaxed, and heat-styled hair. And the last thing in this box is the Super Hydrate and Shine Mask with avocado oil, mango butter, shea butter, intense conditioning treatment. Conditioning. So it's another conditioning treatment. And this one says, gotta find it on this paper, y'all. Okay. Try a 10-minute shingling method with a mask for your shiniest curl result. Yeah, I could not get that out. Strengthens weakened strands and gives your hair a pliable softness. Natural pea protein and botanical extracts work to transform dull, dry hair. So y'all, I am definitely planning on trying this stuff because I used to love lustrous in my hair. I used to use the pink moisturizer all the time, and then I stopped using it when I went natural. No, actually, I think I used it while I was natural too, and stopped because it didn't like my hair. But I'm about to give all of this a try very soon, so y'all will be getting reviews about this very soon. Trust me, very soon. So this is the July's Curlbox, and I'm happy I got this. I'm happy I got subscribed in time for this box. So I can't wait to try it, and y'all will get a review on it as soon as I try it. Alright, y'all. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.